Ecovacs also have a window cleaner which are able to go in 4 meter wide large glass windows, and also able to get a curved or a little bit curved or sloped window too. It's attaching itself to the window and cleaning it very fast, spraying some water on the surface, and it's cleaning with that method. So it's not wireless. It have a long wire, so it have a base station which gives the power of this unit. So it's not stopping every time in the middle of the window, but it have enough power to go through a whole window and don't need to change it. It has a big water dispenser tank, so it's enough for bigger windows too.